There's also a reoccurring theme on the record that no one's coming to save you. Where's that coming from at this point in your life?
I wasn't ready for these hard-hitting questions.
You wrote it, man.
Yeah, I know. And then I never thought about it
I just
again.
listened to it. I just listened to it.
You're just like literally on the fucking record, like lyrics, and you're singing them.
I didn't read them since I wrote them.
You're a smart, intelligent person who's curious about music
These
and
are
art.
wonderful questions.
Just talking
and
to
I
you.
have to have an answer ready.
Give him an answer.
All right. Jeez, the pressure in here.
Or we could just go to how'd you guys come up with the name Dog Star?
No,
Oh,
stop,
God.
please go.
What the? Now I forgot the question.